Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, online food ordering system. And I have developed this project in MERN stack. MERN means Mongo, E for Express, React, and Node. So these are the technology stacks I have used for developing this project, online food ordering system. And this is a responsive theme, the partial responsive theme, not the fully responsive theme. So I have used many of the bootstrap libraries here, right? So the technology stacks I have used: MERN, Mongo, Express, React, and Node, right? So there are two types of roles available inside this project. The first one is the admin and second one is the customer, right? So this is a major project where admin can perform certain operations and customer can order the foods, right? So this is for the single restaurant, not for the multiple restaurants, right? So this is not a multi-tenancy based system. This is for the single restaurant, right? So this is the home page. If you run this project, you will get this home page. So you can see this is the home page, and these are some of the menus are coming. So these are coming from the database, right? And this is some of the static content what is available here, right? This is about page. Again, this is a static page, there is nothing dynamic on it. This is a category page, and this is a dynamic page, right? So you can see there are categories, and you can click on that link to see the all of the food items belongs to that category, right? So let me show you again. Suppose if you want to search a category Chinese, so just search Chinese. Oh, I think there is some spelling mistake. So CHI, right? So this is the like search, right? And if you click on the Chinese, then you will be able to see all of the Chinese product, Chinese items, right? So this is all products, right? So all foods, so all of the food items what admin has uploaded. So currently we have uploaded 8 food items, but if you want to add more, then you can add any number of foods, right? And if you want to search like noodles, right? And if you click on the search, then you can see you will be able to see the details, right? And if you click on the add to cart, it will show you the cart page. You can see this is the cart page, and here you can select the items and add to cart. So there is a restriction inside the system. You will not be able to order anything without the login, right? So that's why it redirected you to the login. If you click on the submit, then the dashboard will be open, right? I will explain you this later, but let me show you add to cart. And now if I add to cart, then you can see the item has been added into the cart, right? And if I click on the quick view and I need this 5 add to cart, so you can see the all of the things are calculating automatically, right? If I want to add more like this one, right, add to cart, so you can see the total amount has been calculated automatically. And if you want to delete anyone, then it's asking for confirmation, and that has been deleted and amount has been adjusted, right? So this is these things we are doing automatically, right, through codes. So if you checked, okay, these are the list of items which you want to order, just click on the checkout, right? It will ask your card details. So this is a dummy payment page, there is nothing dynamic on it. This is not a real time payment, this is a dummy payment, right? You can add the card number here, name on the card, you can add anything, card type, the expiry date and month, and then submit. So once you click on the submit, you can see the order has been created and you can print the receipt, right? You can, once you click on the print, then the whole receipt will be printed out, right? Now come on the dashboard part. So this is the my cart, from where you will be able to see all of the items inside the cart. So you have already made the payment, so there is no item inside the cart. This is a my orders, so you will be able to see all of the orders which you have made. So this is the latest order for 600, and we made it today. And if you click on this, then you will be able to see the details of the order, right? And even you can see the my account details. From here you can update your account details, password and all, right? So this is a dynamic menu, and it renders according to the session, right? So you can see my administration is showing here, but if I click on the logout, then this my administration option will not be displayed here. So you can see this is not displaying, right? So but if I log in, then the menu has been changed and now it's displaying. So this renders according to the session, and there are three types of menu: one for customer, one for the login, and one for the non-login user, right? Now I am going to log in as an admin, from where admin can add the details. So you can see the menu has been changed. Here you can see the add due, and the report part, right? And if you click, if you want to add new food item, just click on add new product. You will be able to add that items here, right? Even you can upload the image. Add new category, from here you can add a new category form, right? And then add new user. Even you can add a new customer from here also. This is a report part. So this is a product report part. You can see all of the products are displaying. If you want to add any product, just click on the add new product and you will be redirected to the add page. And if you want to edit it, just click on the edit button and it will open in edit form, right? Now the category, right? This is a search form everywhere, right? If you want to search anything, just click on it and it will search automatically. This is a customer report. It will show you all of the customers who has registered inside the system. And this is the order report. From here you will be able to see all of the orders placed by the customer, right? If you click on this, you will be able to see the details of the order, right? So these all things you will be able to see inside the system, right? These all features what we have developed inside it, right? So if you need any more feature, any more enhancement in this project, just put it into the comments. We will try to incorporate it and we will make it more operational according to your requirements. And as I told you, this is a MERN stack project, that is a Mongo, Express, React and Node, right? And if you need any more modules, any enhancement, any features, just put it in the comments. We will try to make it according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.